I'm Typically Taya, and today I'm going to show you my Ladybug Love Bug look. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button so that way you can know when I upload a new video. Now let's dive in. So I'm starting off with one of my favorite foundations. This is from Mented and it's in the color T1. I'm going to get that all over my face and rub that in, and then I'm going to set because I'm going to go in for a second round, do the same thing all over again. I just want to make sure that I get a flawless base and as much coverage as possible for this look. I'm going in with an e.l.f. wax pencil just to make sure that all my hairs are laid down. Then I'm also going in with the Milani red lip liner. This is just going to be the base of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to take a red liquid lipstick and then go over that with a brush to really deepen the color of my eyebrows. Just to add a little detail to my eyes, I'm going in with a black eyeliner and add 3 little dots next to my eyebrows because, you know, ladybugs have dots, so I'm going to play around with that a lot. Now I'm going into my UOMA Beauty Savage palette, and I'm going to use those deep, rich reds that are in there. And I'm just going to take that and outline the shape of my eyeball. And I'm also going to go back into that palette and then use a shimmery red. Next, I'm going to apply a dramatic wing, and I'm also going to add tiny little dots around the eyeshadow that I just put on. And this is to create that ladybug effect. So just adding on to that ladybug effect that I'm looking for, I'm going to actually elongate the eyeliner in my inner corner and draw some little antennas just for a little fun. Next, I'm going to add some heart-shaped stickers to my cheeks. This is so I can use the blush and the stickers to create a heart-shaped outline on my cheeks. I just think this technique is super cute, and I thought it would be perfect for a love bug. So I'm going in with my Mented Cosmetics Buried Away blush, and I'm patting that in super heavily on my cheeks. And after that, I'm actually going to go in with some rhinestones and then also go in and outline the heart shapes with a heart-shaped glitter that I'm getting from Midas Cosmetics. So I'm just doing that right now, and I think this is just the perfect little glittery touch to go with this look. But not least, I'm going to add some lashes. So these lashes are from Minks.com. They are in the style Bomb, and what I've done is I've actually cut them in half, and I'm using them as extensions on the outside of my eyes to give them a little more depth and kind of add to the whole like bug feel of this look. And that is my look. So here you can see I've added some antennas, a red wig, and some lipstick, some red lipstick. And I've put my wig in 2 little buns to go on the side. I think it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of cutesy. It's definitely a cutesy look. This is super easy to redo. It is a beginner's Halloween look. And that's the look. If you like this look, make sure you leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons, or share with a friend who you think needs Halloween inspiration. I'm TypicallyTaya, and I'll see you next time.